Elizabeth Warren opposes blockchain lobbying efforts, writes letter to association. What's going on? Disclosure: crypto is a high-risk asset class. This article is provided for informational purposes and does not constitute investment advice. By using this website, you agree to our terms and conditions. We may utilize affiliate links within our content and receive commission. Sen Elizabeth Warren has opposed the growing cryptocurrency lobbying efforts in Washington, calling on all stakeholders to support regulations to clamp down on terrorist financing amid other concerns. In a letter addressed to the United States Blockchain Association, the senator expressed dismay over increasing efforts to cripple attempts of the present administration to tackle funds flowing to terrorists and other ethical issues within the subject matter. According to the letter, the Blockchain Association and other executives have deployed a team of former defense and national law enforcement officials to lead lobby efforts in Washington. I write regarding a troubling new report that your association and other crypto interests are flexing a not-so-secret weapon, a small army of former defense, national security, and law enforcement officials to work on your behalf to undermine bipartisan efforts in Congress and the Biden administration to address the role of cryptocurrency in financing Hamas and other terrorist organizations. Citing the October 7 attack by Hamas against Israel, the letter states that more information has come to light on how terrorist organizations are funded using digital assets, calling out exchange failures to flag transactions going to terror groups and cybercriminals. It should be noted that the allegations of millions of dollars worth of cryptocurrencies used to fund terrorist groups have been disproven by multiple on-chain analytics firms. Sequel to the October 7 attacks, the Wall Street Journal released a report claiming terrorist organizations get funding through digital assets in millions of dollars. Meanwhile, several firms like Chainalysis have called the report overstated while calling on efforts to stop all terror funding. Chainalysis highlights flawed analysis in assessing crypto's role in terror financing. Blockchain analytics firm at Chainalysis raises concerns over the accuracy of reports regarding the extent of cryptocurrency's role in terrorist financing. #CryptoNews/t co/VLGNF6FRGJ CryptoNews. At CryptoNews October 19, 2020, 3 digital asset firms intensify lobby moves. The senator added that Congress has introduced several legislations to address anti-money laundering issues and other concerns, but industry leads are focused on delaying or denying the nay rules in lobby attempts. According to Politico, the sector is flexing a weapon that includes contacts and law enforcement to push its interests. Recently, Coinbase has been a big leader against unclear regulations in the United States, making efforts to shape rules through court and Congress. The company has spent $2.16 million in crypto lobby efforts alongside other companies' efforts to develop regulations to protect all parties. Kristen Smith, the head of the Blockchain Association, underscored the aim of creating a common-sense framework which differs from Warren's allegations in the letter. Our goal is to engage directly with policymakers, build relationships, and bridge the education gap to build a common-sense regulatory framework. Ethical issues in crypto lobbying. Finally, she stressed the ethical issue of former policymakers jumping on private companies to drive legislation through Congress. For the latter, although Congress has introduced legislation to eliminate the loopholes in present lobby laws and the revolving door practice, citizens deserve to know the extent to which crypto firms are using the practice to fight efforts in anti-money laundering laws. Sen. Warren requested information on the number of former military and civil servants employed by the association alongside their roles and related code of ethics for contacting former government officials. Enter your email for our free daily newsletter, a quick 3-minute read about today's crypto news. Sign up. This site is protected by reCAPTCHA and the Google privacy policy in terms of service supply. IMG SRC equals https://simg. co/p/ml300 jpeg alt equals image class equals imgid equals newsletter pop-up img.